hit that subscribe button. That way you know exactly when I upload new videos. Wow. Okay, I just got back from an amazing beach party thrown by Captain Ainsworth. I spoke to him on the side. He's gonna allow us to check in at the hotel today. That's a week before its grand opening. The hotel has 225 rooms, 3 stories high, and it's set in this high Victorian style. The landscaping is amazing. There's palm trees everywhere, green shrubs, carnations, huge flower beds, and the smells that this vegetation produces is simply amazing. In the hotel's front yard, you have the Pacific Ocean to swim in and the white sandy beach to make sandcastles with your friends. Tired of that? There's an 18-hole golf course, there's a bowling alley, tennis courts, croquet, billiards room with 6 gorgeous pool tables. Wait, that's not enough? Okay then, if you like music, there's an orchestra that plays soothing songs while you check in, puts you right in a great mood. Then at dinner time, the orchestra goes to the dining room and will play the most recent jazz music. Still not tired? Then after dinner, head to the ballroom. There you can go dancing and have even more fun till 2 in the morning. The hotel has, wait for this, electricity, steamed heat on every floor. They even have Otis elevators, so you don't have to worry about crashing anymore. Anyways, let's head to the lobby, get our key, and go to the room. By the way, Mr. Ainsworth has upgraded my room to a suite. So how's this? Let's all stay in my room. That'll be a blast, and we'll have a great time. Let's go to the lobby.
I have no will, or you made your kill, cause you took advantage of me. I'm just like an apple on a bough, and you're gonna...
Amazing! Right here, you have a view of the Pacific Ocean and the beach. This is where you come up into the lobby, and then you're greeted by these beautiful hardwood floors. So these floors, all the hardwood in the entire hotel was handpicked by Mr. Ainsworth. So this place is amazing. These skylights, the sun just comes through and reflects off these floors. It's so beautiful. So over my right shoulder, you have the parlor. What a parlor is where you kind of wait for friends. Maybe you can meet with a real estate agent, look at real estate brochures if you're thinking about purchasing a piece of property in the city. It's kind of a waiting room, you know. You have nothing else to do or you have to kill an hour. Anyways, over my left shoulder, you have the front desk. That's where Denise is sitting. Denise just told me we have about an hour and a half wait until our room is ready. Because Captain Ainsworth, remember at the beach, he upgraded our room to a suite, which was awesome. Anyways, Denise suggested that we go to the billiards room and play some pool. I myself, I'd never even heard of a billiards room. This is great. So let's go there, wait for Denise to come get us, and then we'll go to the room. How does that sound? Look around, this place is awesome. Let's go. Actually, before we go to the billiards room, Denise handed me a coupon that was out of the newspaper. It's for $5 for an entire weekend, everything included here at Hotel Redondo. It sounds a little steep, but let's read it anyways. All right, let's do that. All right, let's check this out. Here's what Denise gave me, the coupon. It's $5. That includes round-trip railroad tickets. Good for 10 days, this coupon is. Includes dinner Saturday night, tickets to the guest ball, 3 meals Sunday, breakfast Monday morning, and you get a room Saturday and Sunday night. Wait, is there more? Holy cow! It also includes dancing, bowling, billiards, pool, tennis, my favorite, croquet, and concerts daily by Smead's Ladies Orchestra. $5 for each person. A weekend vacation. See beautiful Hotel Redondo. Take a week and rest. Pick a place to spend your summer vacation. $5 pays all expenses. Reserve your rooms in advance, by mail, or telephone. Take the 5 o'clock train Saturday and then return, leaving the hotel at 7:42 Monday morning. You're in Los Angeles by 8:30 in time just to go to work. A weekend for $5. Cannot beat it. What a great deal. I'm going to take Denise up on it. Let's see what Denise wrote on the back. Wait, what's this? Oh boy, Denise seems somewhat of a floozy. In 1920, floozy meant a woman with loose moral values. I think I'll call her. Holy mackerel, are you serious? This is a billiards room? This place is cool. Look at this place. Look at the hardwood floors. Again, out of the park, Captain Ainsworth. The hardwood floors are amazing. And look what he has around the pool tables. He has these like carpet runners, so while you're hitting the pool ball, whatever it's called, you don't slip. You don't slip on the hardwood floor. How smart is that? Also, if you look out the window right here, you can see the wharf. You can see the boats coming in and the schooners, and you can hear the waves crashing again. This place is so cool. I would have loved to have been here with my dad, with my friends, played pool for like 4 or 5 hours, won some money, lost some money. I don't know. This place is cool. Listen to what a reporter from the Los Angeles Herald had to say about the billiards room at Hotel Redondo. A handicap billiard tournament, one of the latest diversions of Hotel Redondo. A handicap billiard tournament is the latest diversion to claim the attention of the guests at this beautiful resort. The tournament began a couple of evenings ago, but thus far only the preliminaries have been played off. The various matches will probably be brought down to the semifinals by tomorrow evening, when some close contests are expected to be had. So apparently, a lot of money exchanged hands here. A lot of deals were done in the billiards room. This was a place where you could come and meet bankers, real estate investors, people in the hotel business. This was a place you could come, meet somebody, kind of get to know them, exchange numbers. Well, I don't think they had numbers, but you could exchange information, which was great. A lot of money exchanged, a lot of big deals were done here. This place is great. Let's go. Denise just came in. She's kind of cute. And she said, our room is ready. So let's go up to the room, check it out, get ready for a great night. Let's go. Let's do it. Yeah. Awesome. So on the way to the room, I decided to stop by the real estate desk. I looked at one of these pamphlets. Beachfront lots right on the beach, right on the ocean, are selling for $800. Do they think I'm made of money? It's kind of insulting. Anyways, they're located at Moonstone Beach, which is the north beach of wharf number 1. Why don't we go check it out in a couple days and see what $800 will get you? Seems like a lot of money. What do you think? Hey, how are you guys? How'd you get in the room? Doesn't matter. It's nice to see you anyways. Hotel Redondo had 225 rooms. Each room was totally unique from the other. Every room had its own theme. One week you may stay in a safari themed room, and the next week you may be in a jungle themed room. The theme of this room, I have no idea. On each floor, it has broad corridors extending the whole length and width of the building. The design of the hotel is so perfect that there is not one dark room in the whole building. Every room is furthermore well ventilated and affords a magnificent view of the sea or of the picturesque surrounding countryside. No expense has been spared in fitting up the rooms with every convenience for guests, including open fireplaces, electric lights, and electric bells. Electric bells were a button you could push in the room that would notify staff in the kitchen or maybe a concierge that you were in need of something. Like the mantels and the woodwork are elegant and of costly design and are entirely different in every room also. They also designed the hotel to where every single room in the hotel receives sunlight at some time throughout the day. That's pretty incredible. There's also steam heat on every floor, so the hallways are warm and the bedrooms are warm. You're literally never cold. These rooms were built for kings and queens. Anyways, why don't you guys get out of here, let me get dressed, and let's meet up at the restaurant. I heard it's amazing, and I cannot wait because this guy is pretty hungry. Beautiful room, let me get dressed, I'll meet you at the dining room.
Her name is MacDougal, she's such a comfort to me.
So anyways, a month after I'd shown you guys the bedroom, this bedroom right here, I bumped into a photograph that was eerily familiar. Let me show it to you right now. Let me see if you guys can guess what's wrong. Turns out, I wasn't showing you the bedroom. I was in my robe, in the lobby, actually in the parlor room, right off the lobby. I'm surprised the police didn't come and arrest me, thinking I was crazy. Anyways, we pulled it off. I just wanted to keep this film accurate and give you an update. You know, mistakes happen. Thought I was in my bedroom. Finally, the dining room. Look at this place. It's a perfect gem. It is not as extensive as that of the Coronado, but it has beauties and advantages that the famous hotel has not. Formed in the shape of an extended semicircle, 3/4 of its ample windows look out upon the beach and the beautiful ocean. Its curtains are all delicately hand-painted and reveal such appetizing subjects as clusters of berries and grapes, sprays of flowers, and bunches of fruit of every kind. The room will seat 300 people. The architecture is amazing. Just look at these high arched ceilings and meticulously carved columns. The tables, the silverware, and furniture are costly and so elegant. While we enjoy our dinner, we get to listen to the orchestra play from the veranda in front of the hotel. It's so soothing. I was able to see the kitchen before. It is the most modern kitchen I've ever seen. The cold storage room has about 50 compartments where milk, meat, butter, ice cream, and a number of other articles are kept. The ice chest holds 10 tons of ice. The famous Mayberg brothers supplied the kitchen and the dining room with all the crockery, the silverware, and the crystal, and all the metalware, the pots and pans. The management guarantees that your table will be supplied at all times with the best meats, fruits, and vegetables which the market can afford. If you love meat, you'll be happy to know that Mr. Meyer will be supplying all the meat for the hotel. Mr. Meyer is one of the oldest, most experienced, and largest butchers, both wholesale and retail, in the state of California. Okay, enough talking about all of this stuff. Let's sit down at our table and order one of these famous roasts. Let's see if Mr. Meyer's reputation precedes him. I am so hungry. This is just sounding so good. Let's go to our table. So this was kind of like a private dining area. Really nice. Did I mention the wine list? The alcohol list? The wine list was amazing. The wines were top notch. But you know what? Only the guys could drink. Women couldn't drink back then in public. Women that drank were considered prostitutes, bad people, very bad. So only the men could drink. Was this a bad rule? I don't know. Anyways, this is a private dining area. It's beautiful. I'm stuffed. The meal was great. why don't we all go upstairs and go to the ballroom? Well, let's do some dancing and work off some of this food. Sound good? Let's do it. Once again, I'm impressed. Look at these floors. Mr. Ainsworth hit it out of the park again. Anyways, this place had the best parties, the ballroom. Imagine everyone here dressed to the nines, the guys dressed up, the women in these beautiful gowns and big hats. Anyways, let's listen to Marion Palmer. She actually has been in the ballroom. She's danced here before. Let's hear what she has to say.
They had one of the most beautiful ballrooms I've ever been in. They had a marquee floor that was just magnificent, made of all kinds of hardwood, laid in beautiful patterns, and around there they had these beautiful little gold chairs, and it was an elegant place. Beautiful dining room, and great big veranda.
I'm exhausted. I'm buzzed. My date's not. Couldn't drink. But you know what? Women couldn't drink until Prohibition, ironically. I'll explain that a little later. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this little tour of the hotel. Why don't we go back to the room, we'll go to sleep, and tomorrow we'll check out the outside of the hotel. How does that sound? Let's go. Crazy cool, huh? What was your favorite part of the hotel? Mine personally, I love the dining room, thought it was great. Anyways, click this next video. If you like the inside, you're gonna love this next video. You gotta watch it, keep in order, stay in step, do it now because it's got some cool things in it. Click, 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 click.